Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning students.
Morning.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, great.
Alright. I'm good too. Thank you for asking me. Okay, so before we start our lesson today, please start our lesson by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, is anyone absent today?
No.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, so today in subject sociology, we are going to learn about social interaction. Okay, so guys, please pay attention to the slide. What do you think? What are they doing? Talking, and then hang out. Okay, anyone else? Interacting, chit chat. Okay. You guys all correct. So do you interact with your friends every day, guys?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. So I will tell you what I expected to you in by the end of this lesson, guys. So the first one is you can define social interaction and then identify its characteristics and conditions by concluding a worksheet based on the learning activity, and then differentiate types of social interaction and use simple present or simple past tense and key vocabulary and appropriately to describe social interaction. And the last is explain your ideas using simple sentences and real life examples in both spoken and written forms. Alright. The first one is we are going to talk about what is social interaction or the definition of social interaction. Social interactions comes from the word interaction, which refers to action that occur between two or more people who react to one another through direct or indirect contact. So social interaction comes from the word interaction and social. If interaction means action, so social means implies mutual interdependence or cooperation, just as humans are social beings who cannot live alone and need others. Okay, so if those two words combine, we can say that simply social interaction is the reciprocal relationship between individuals or groups to establish friendships, engage in discussion, and collaborate within society. Do you know what is reciprocal, guys?
No.
Okay, so reciprocal is timbal balik. So if we can say reciprocal relationship means hubungan timbal balik. So social interaction itu adalah hubungan timbal balik between individuals or groups. You got my point, guys?
Yes.
Alright. So next is characteristic of social interaction. The first one, so social interaction has three characteristics. The first one is involves more than one participant. So if you just talking by yourself, it cannot be called social interaction. Alright. And then communication occurs among participants using symbols. And the last one is the presence of specific goals, regardless of whether they align with or differ from what observed might expect. Okay, what the first one is? Okay, so we communicate using symbols, and then the last is the presence of conditions of social interaction. Do you know what it means, guys? Condition of social interaction? Yeah, syarat. Okay, so if you want to make or build social interaction, we have to do first is social contact. Social contact is not limited to face-to-face situation; it also includes. So social contact is like why we meet each other or how we talk with other people. So in social contact, there are two types. The first one is primary social contact, which is like directly contact, such as face-to-face. So we directly meet each other. And then the second one is secondary social contact, which is we use media such as the telephone, email, or even social media message. You got my point, guys? Yes. Communication. Of course, after we do social contact, we have to do communication. And then types and example of social interaction. There are three types The first one is social interaction between individuals. Social interaction between individuals means individuals and individuals are communicate each other, okay, or interact each other. The example is like when meeting a friend, greeting each other, asking questions and sharing information about needs. And then, okay, the next is social interaction between individual and individual. Like what? Then, do you see one another example right now? Yeah, good job. Like I teach you. Okay. The last one is group to group interaction. If we have individual and group, and the last is group to group interaction. If group to group interaction means that a group interact with another group. Okay. Alright, so now to check your understanding, I need you to do quiz time. Please scan this barcode. I will give you maybe 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Alright. Okay. Alright. After you do quiz, what the result, guys? Is that good? Good. Alright. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so now please do pairs work. Najwa and Nana and Nella and Dila. Right? So, okay, are you ready? The first group?
Yes.
Who will be? Okay, two.
People interact when they communicate, share ideas, and help each other, or
With other people, they will feel lonely and isolated.
individual to individual is a doctor.
Okay, can I ask how many patients if individual? Patient.
Oh, patient one.
Alright, one doctor and one patient. Okay.
And the last, and group to group is the organizing committee and participants interact during a competition.
Okay. Okay, Dila, thank you so much. Okay, so because you have answered the quick questions, now it's your turn to do sentence assessment. This is individual task, so I will give you one by one. I'll give you 20 minutes to do this work. 20? Wow. Okay, start from now. One of you submit it to me. Alright, then Joe, thank you so much. Okay, guys. We are on the last chapter, the last session. I just want to say that bringing together individuals with different personalities is not easy, but it is beneficial to interact with one another in a positive, polite, and friendly manner, focusing on specific goals. Good communication fosters harmony and mutual understanding, which can lead to long-term benefits. For instance, this includes business relationships, building trust, and other such benefits. Okay. So I want to ask you, what did we learn today about social interaction? Alright, and then why is social interaction important in our life?
To communicate with each other.
Okay, good job. Okay, so I will give you short summary. So social interaction is reciprocal relationship between individuals or group to communicate with each other, which is characteristic. Then one participant communicates using symbols and has specific goals, and then conditions must have social contact and communication. And the last types is individual group, and group. Alright. Okay, thank you so much guys for your nice attention today. So I will give you a homework on Google Classroom. There is a text assessment. I hope you can bring it to the next meeting. Okay, thank you so much. Let's close our class today by reciting Hamdalah together. Thank you so much. See you guys next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.